Hello, good morning. I, J. Vijay Chandra, welcomes you all to WITS Connect. Today, I am going to take a session on 8 queens problem using backtracking method. This all session comes under the artificial intelligence subject. So, in artificial intelligence, there are some problems where we are going to solve using the different methods. So, the artificial intelligence problem, that is 8 queen problem, we will have a chessboard of 8 into 8 chessboard where we given 8 queens. The queen will can move like this, can move like this, and can move like this. So if I place the queen in corner, it can go vertically, it can go horizontally, it can go diagonally. So we have to keep 8 queens in a proper way so that no queen will be affected and every queen should be in a safe position. So first I keep the queen in the left corner. So here this queen is safe. When we check this total row, we can't keep any other queen, and the column, total column also we can't keep any other queen, and diagonally also we can't keep any other queen. Okay, so we place the queen here at the first situation where row wise, column wise, and diagonally we can't keep any other queen. Next thing, so the next place where we can keep the queen is this place, and for this particular row we can keep the queen here also. So next step, I kept the queen here, and the possible, now you can't keep in this particular row and you can't keep in this particular column and you can't keep in this particular diagonal. And next step, what you can do is keeping the queen here. Now you can't keep the queen in this particular row, you can't keep queen in this particular column, and you can't keep queen in this particular dimension. Then the next step is you can keep a queen here, where you cannot keep the here or here. So now 1, 2, 3, 4 queens already we used, and next 4 queens are left with us. So again I use this particular queen here, means there is no problem diagonally, and there is no problem horizontally and vertically. So next position we can keep the queen here. So this total line is clear, this is clear, here safe, and here it's a safe. Next is, here you can keep the queen, okay, here it's safe, here it's safe. Next is, here we can't keep, here we can't keep, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Around 7 queens we kept safely, but we are unable to keep the 8th queen. So here we can't keep, this queen will be affected. Here we can't keep, 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 and here we can keep, but it will be affected with this particular queen. So this is a wrong step. So what we have to do is we have to backtrack this particular to next. That means not only here, somewhere here also there is an error. So we have to do it again. So in the next step we are going to do backtracking. As we are discussing regarding the 8 queens problem, we tried to find a solution, but there was an obstacle, there was a wrong statement here. This queen we are unable to keep it in a safe position. So now we are going to use the method is known as the backtracking. That means this column, this queen we are unable to kept in a safe position. So we are going to back and we are going to check this one. So this position is wrong. That's why this position we are unable to keep this queen in a wrong position. So actually you may think, sir, how is it possible? Why is it possible? Solutions are there for this particular problem. Yes, there are 12 possible solutions for this particular 8 into 8 matrix chessboard problem, where we can keep 8 queens in 12 different ways. So first way we tried it, but we are unable to get a succeed. This is a normal fundamental way where everyone will keep the queens and there will be obstacle here. There will be obstacle here. To solve that, we have to backtrack to the next position. That means this is wrong, this column is also wrong, and then you have to check what are the possible ways. If this is wrong, then the possible columns which are empty are this one and this one. If we keep this one, it will be obstacle with this particular one, and if it is this one, there will be an obstacle with particular this one. So this is also a wrong. Again we are backtracking from here to here. This is the backtracking position. So again we will check, instead of this, any other place, safe place is there. Yeah, this one, but this one again it is giving an obstacle. So this is also a wrong. So we have to backtrack up to here. Then we can check what are the possible ways to keep. You can keep here. Okay, you can keep here. This is the safe. When diagonally it is safe. Okay, and row wise, column wise it is safe. You can keep here. And once you check it, again for the solution you have to keep again. Again you have to go for the next position. Let's check the next position. The next possible position is this one. So we can keep here, and next possible solution is this is gone, this is gone, this is gone, this is gone, and next possible solution is this one or this one. So let's, already we kept here, so I am keeping this here. So diagonally we are getting again obstacle here. So this is also a wrong solution. So this is the method of backtracking. So this row we can't keep the numbers, so we backtracked. This row we can't keep the number, so we backtracked here. This row we can't keep the number, we backtracked here. This row we can't keep the number, we have to backtrack here. And this row also giving a problem, so again we have to backtrack here. Again we have to backtrack, again we have to backtrack. So now I will try to get a solution for it. So first column I kept this one, then all these are removed and tried for a new solution. Let's keep here. Let's keep the numbers for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So on first I kept the number, then I will keep here on fifth, then on eighth, on next is on sixth, then on third, then on seventh, then on second, and then on fourth. So now you can check it's in a safe position. This queen is in safe position. This queen is in safe position. This queen is in safe position. And this queen is in safe position. And this queen is in safe position. This queen is in safe position. This queen is in safe position. And this queen is also in a safe position. Okay. So just keep see the numbers. The possible solutions for this 8 queens problem are 12. Among them I am giving you the 4 solutions to solve this particular problem, that is 1, 5, 8, 6, 3, 7, 2, 4, which already I shown in on the demonstration. Next comes to 3, 6, 2, 7, 1, 4, 8, 5. The next one is 6, 4, 7, 1, 8, 2, 5, 3. The next one is 3, 5, 2, 8, 1, 7, 4, 6. So 4 different solutions are given, and if you try you can get 8 more solutions for this particular 8 queens problem. Thank you. Thank you very much for attending my session. Thank you very much.